Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's episode I wanted to show you my current favorite makeup items from Cbeauty and Cbeauty's brands. So I'm going to try to show some items that I didn't show in my previous videos. So I'm gonna start with this item. It's a single eyeshadow by the brand Noiricorn, and it's the shade Amethyst Eclipse, and it's just a beautiful silvery lavender, and it's super pigmented. So this is how it looks, and a little goes a long way. And also this was actually a gift that I got in my Cbeauty order I made on Cbeauty Mall, so I'm very glad because I actually wanted to buy this one. So yeah, for my second item, it's this Girlcult blush in this shade. So it was the one that got super viral because it's like a black blush, but it isn't. It's actually a red, like a dark red blush. So that's the color. If I blend it in, it's like this. So yeah, this one is really nice. It's very creamy, and yeah, the shade is 18. I'm not sure, but this one is a great blush that I have kept using since I bought it. So yeah. My third favorite item is the Moist Ampoule blush by the House of Her brand. I bought it in the shade lavender because I got the more of a dark berry shade, and I loved it so much that I had to buy another shade. So this is the shade. It's like a lavenderish shade, and so it's like this. And if I blend it, it's really subtle. I actually have to put quite an amount to be satisfied, but it's because I like to have quite an amount of blush, not too much, but I don't like to have just a little, so that's why. But it's a really nice blush, and yeah, I like it. The next item is actually a highlighter from the brand Joocyee. So it's like this, and I got it because I wanted like a pure silver highlighter, and it is so good. Like, look at this, just in one go. Like, that's so beautiful. And I mean, if I put it some here, like, look at that. Okay, like, I mean, so this one is actually the best highlighter I've ever bought. So yeah. Next, for the lippies, this is from the brand Girlcult, and I have it on my lips. It's actually a lip balm, and it's like a beautiful rosy purplish shade. It's actually so nice to wear and so creamy. I really like it. So this is the shade. I mean, Girlcult is that brand, guys. And then Girlcult again. This is like glitters for the lips. and I also have it on my lips right now, and you're gonna see why I said that it's glitter for the lips. And if I put it, oops, okay, you see, and okay, see, there is quite an amount, but I mean, that is so stunning. That is so stunning. I'm really glad I bought this one. If I put it again, I mean, how to make your lips stunning in a couple of seconds. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it for my quick videos on my current favorite makeup items. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.